another video. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. If you're not new and you are my one subscriber, thank you for subscribing. So yeah, today we are headed to our pickup location. We will be deadheading 96 miles to the pickup location, and then from there on we will be going to our drop off, which is in Kansas, and then from there on we'll be picking up a local load in Kansas and dropping off around there. So yeah, come along, let's enjoy this nice weather weekend, and welcome to Part-Time Trucking. My name is Paul. This is what I do over the weekend. During the weekday I hustle and bustle like everybody else in their 9 to 5, and then on the weekends I do come out and enjoy a nice scenery outside while trucking. So if you like to work hard during the weekday and on the weekends, well, you are a good person and you will be welcomed to enjoy a nice trucking vlog with me. I forgot to grab a cup of coffee. I didn't forget. I decided to get it on the way because I wanted to make sure that I'm using my body's energy before I could get coffee. So that's the reason why. But yeah. Usually I do night runs. They're great, but for videos you can't really see. So for videos you can't really see well, so sometimes it's just good to do a day run, and I do enjoy doing day runs. The only thing about day runs is there's a lot of traffic.
Turn right on 25th Avenue, then take the first left.
And nobody likes traffic, so anyways, let's get rolling. I'll see you guys at pickup. we gotta go to the check-in so we can know if we are getting, how many pallets we're getting today. Just arrived here a few minutes ago and had to park on one of these lots here so I can be able to get a dock. So yeah, it was a pretty good, smooth ride. Didn't stop anywhere. Didn't want to stop anywhere actually. Still haven't got my coffee this morning, so we'll definitely get that after we pick up from here. Other than that, it's quite a pleasant morning. Good weather out. Feels nice. Feels real nice. All right, let's go in here and find out what dock we're gonna be docking at. All right, so we got dock 119. That's it right there. Right there. That's where we're going to dock. And then we'll go from there. All right, we got loaded with 4 crates and 2 pallets. Not bad at all. Not bad. Well, we just got some fuel, 54 gallons. We're filled up to the maximum. We stopped for some coffee from QT. Got some good coffee, so we're gonna enjoy that on our way there. And
turn right, then take the 3rd right.
Sharon over here is gonna be speaking to us today. I don't know if she's gonna be giving us a sermon or she's just gonna be saying
turn right at the traffic light, then take the ramp on the right.
The whole time. We'll see. I don't want to mute her because I want to miss a ton, but she is a great company and she does keep me on my toes. Again, we got loaded with 4 crates and what'd you call them? 2 pallets. So it should be a good weight, about 1,000 and some change if I'm not wrong. And if I'm wrong, please, nobody knows, so it's fine. But anyways,
ramp on the right to I-35 South.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, the lady was very nice, very polite. The one who was assisting in loading me. She told me something interesting. On average, she dispatches 15 trucks, semi trucks, 53 foot, and about 7 box trucks in a day. So that was very interesting. So, and that's all she does for the day. She works 12 hours, which is pretty interesting. A lot of hours to work, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. My water bottle fell. Gotta pick it up. And yeah, so let's hit the road and see what we see on the road. There's a lot of cops from Waze. There's a lot of cops on the road, so we're gonna take it easy. We're not gonna speed. We're gonna try to cruise at 70 miles an hour, a little bit, maybe 69, just to be safe. And that's a nice Peterbilt is passing me. It's a real nice Peterbilt. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever be in the semi game. I think you gotta be a very dedicated person to be OTR 24/7 for 2 weeks straight. I would rather be in this box truck on the weekends and have quality time with my family during the week. That's my opinion though. Everybody's different. So that's me only. We got a fire truck to our left side. I hope there's no fires that he's going to put out. And we got our waterway over there. So, yeah, a little nice fire truck passing us. It's nice when you're in a truck, like a box truck or a semi, that you get to be in a level with every other big rigs. It's a mini fire truck. But yeah, it's very interesting that you get to see the driver. When you're in a small car, you barely see anything. You just see a big old dude coming by and passing you. So yeah. It's a bright day. I did forget my sunglasses today. I don't know why I did that. So I'm gonna enjoy this bright day. And we'll go from there. Anyways, let's jump into the time lapse and yeah, see you at drop off in about 2 hours and 41 minutes. But for you guys, it'll be like 5 minutes or less. Anyway, see you at drop off. this little curve is gonna slow down to 30 miles an hour.
Turn right on Mexico City Avenue.
And we are close. We are very close. Alright, we are yielding on this road. There's no traffic on the other side. Oh. Go a little. We're about 1.5 miles to drop off. So I believe this is the Kansas City airport. So for sure, I do know this, that I won't be able to fly the drone. I mean, I could, but there'll be a lot of legal issues on that scenario, so I will opt out for that. And just gonna go nice and easy with a point of view, and see what we could get. It looks like the FedEx cargo plane is being either loaded or offloaded. This is where the FedEx drop-off is. The one in Memphis is huge. I've been there. Used to be out there a while back. Those are 3 box trucks there. I'm wondering. Oh, I didn't know Planet Fitness had box trucks. Interesting. So it looks like we have UPS planes, maybe getting closer. So we'll see. Got 0.4 miles. I'm going to that terminal right there, all the way over there. Already I can see a box truck there and an Amazon truck.
To Mexico City Avenue on the right.
So I'll probably have to be in line waiting to drop off. Let's find out. I am 50 minutes, I don't know, actually 40.
682 Mexico City Avenue.
I am 48 minutes early. So we're gonna park here and see if we could get some information on where we're supposed to go. So I'm gonna park here, get off the truck, and see if we could get some information on where we're supposed to go. See you in a bit. Quick unloading. I didn't even have a chance to film. It literally was less than 15 minutes. I was offloaded.
Turn left on
When you do an
Cookingham Drive.
When you're doing an an airport drop, it goes by so quickly that you barely notice that, how quickly it is. Why is my little side? Gotta look at it again. My safety guard started making noise again. So if somebody has a solution to stopping it from doing that, let me know. Anyways, so right now we're gonna go to the truck wash, get this truck washed. It is cloudy over here and it looks like it's gonna rain. After that, we're just gonna go chill at the. We're gonna go chill and wait for my next load. Probably look for a good truck stop for that. But I do want to thank you for tuning in for this video. I do want to say thanks. Thank you all for who are checking out these videos, and thank you to all who are subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really highly appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos, come back. There'll be another one coming up, probably for the next one. It's probably gonna be short, and I'm probably gonna be on the whole time because it's only 37 miles. So
on the right to I-29 South.
I'll see you when I see you. Adios.